Hornby H class train pack review and technical discussion on preserving motor and improved running. I'm delighted to bring you a new train pack review. This one is a must for any BR Southern Region modeller. Despite being designed and built back in 1904 for the South Eastern and Chatham Railway, the H class lasted well into BR days and in fact became the mainstay of many branch lines. This train pack includes loco number 31551 and Maunsaw push-pull set 602. The catalogue number is R3512. The H class is a super stunning model, however there are many reports of burned out motors and mine also suffered from bad running. I have a fix for both these issues that will be discussed after the main running review. Once again, I am grateful to Cressy Publishing for giving me permission to use images from Terry Goff's book Around the Branch Lines number 1. So sit back and watch this lovely train running for a moment. Terry's book has a photo of this actual loco, standing in company with a K-class at Rowfant. In September 1961, Rowfant was on the Three Bridges to East Grinstead branch line. A very intensive push-pull service was operated on that line. While it can be argued that the South Eastern and Chatham livery looks amazing on the H, I still think it's very smart in its BR livery. Push-pull set number 602 is also highly detailed and fully captures the look of these sets. The driver has now changed ends into the driving cab of the two-coach set. He has full control of the locomotive while the fireman remains on the footplate to see to all the needs of his charge. Point work is not a problem for this set. Terry's book does not have a photo of set 602, but does have a lovely one of 601 at Bramber on the Horsham to Shoreham and Brighton branch, back in July 1960, again with an H class at the rear. Notice also that the set has now been made up to 3 coaches with the addition of an all third class coach. This was very common and adds variety for us modellers. Back to Terry's book and the East Grinstead branch, and we have this wonderful photo of H class 31306 arriving at Rowfant in September 1961. Terry's book again, and 31544 H class stands at 3 bridges, ready to form the 1027 to East Grinstead. Lastly, from Terry's book, we have our loco 31551 propelling set 606 into Ralphant. This loco is beautifully detailed in the cab. Technical discussions. Firstly, to improve traction, I added this thin strip of lead as seen, held in place with small dots of PVA glue so it can be removed if needed. I also added some more lead under the decoder socket in the loco. Some may recall my video made in 2017 over on Mike's Movies, featuring the lovely Southeastern and Chatham H class that ran dreadfully and got very hot. Part of the problem was excess waxy lube in the gearbox and an overly tight fitting worm retaining plate, fixed with some paper washers. While this black H class displayed very similar issues, however this time I found that it was tolerances between the bottom motor plate and the chassis. It was allowing the worm to bottom out on the first gear wheel. Again, this was fixed with some paper washers, this time between the chassis and the bottom plate. You have seen how well the loco runs now. And no more motor overheating. In discussions with Hornby, they have sent me a new gear wheel to test to see if that's the issue. Something is not fully concentric, as there is a wow 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 effect prior to the modifications. Might be worth considering if your H-Class has issues, and I certainly intend to try this new modification on my Southeastern and Chatham loco. Hope this has been of interest. Take care and stay safe.